Yo, what's up guys? I'm out here in Bangkok with my boys, Ram and Alex. This is their condo right now. We're gonna give you guys a full tour. And what are you guys paying per month in USD?
It's only like 450 USD.
And you guys are kind of splitting it right now, like 50-50, so like around 225 each?
Yeah, roughly.
Yeah. And why are you guys living together right now? Because I mean, you guys aren't like homo or anything, so like what's the situation?
Yeah, so I actually go back to the States here at the beginning of May. I've just got some family things I gotta sort out, and then whenever I come back, I'll be, you know, indulging in Bangkok in my own little apartment, condo, whatever my heart desires.
Cool. So we're gonna go ahead and dive in. We're gonna go through the lobby, all the amenities, and then last but not least, showcase the room. So let's go ahead and get started.
So guys, pretty much here, this is the lobby. This is where everyone hangs out, waits for everything to get sorted. Down here, we have all of our mail, right? You can receive mail from anywhere in the world. It's actually pretty sick. All right guys, next up, we have our first co-working space. As you can see here, we got Alex chilling, having a good time, just hanging out.
And how long have you guys been living here for? Like just a few days, a few weeks?
Say like almost 2 months now, maybe a month and a half.
And when you guys move in, do you guys have to pay just like 1 month of rent and you're good, or you need to pay like a deposit or what?
Yeah, great question. So out here in Thailand, it's pretty typical that they require 3 months down. So if the rent's $430, times that by 3, that's your down payment to get in the place, all settled, situated. And then from there on out, it's just a monthly payment. And right now that's 14K baht or 430 USD. All right guys, we don't really want to disturb the people working, but we'll see here. There's another desk here, you can get your doctor's work. Another private room over there, which you can book out as well. All right guys, we are on the top floor of the condo. If you guys want to check it out over there, we got a whole view of the city. That's actually Ryan's place over there.
Yes sir, that's my good old Modi's. I think I'm paying around with the exact amount almost.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. So over here guys, we actually have the gym, rooftop gym here. It's pretty quiet. But as you guys can see, Alex made his way over here. His test was too high, he had to work out. That's okay, that's a Bangkok problem as a whole. We also have a rock climbing wall, guys, which you're actually gonna see us conquer in a second here.
What's so wrong? Like in Florida, back where you're from, like this entire condo, the place you're in right now, how much would you think it would cost like monthly in USD?
Yeah, great question. So just for comparison, just take St. Pete for example. A place like this would be easily 2 to 3K a month, easily. And it probably wouldn't even have all the amenities it has here.
Yeah, it's like 1/8 of the price.
Yeah, give or take.
Yeah, something like that. Damn, that's
say
insane.
like 1/6 at most.
Yeah. Sheesh.
We got a rooftop patio here. You can come here anytime, chill, read. It's pretty sick. I mean, even out here, it's probably one of the best spots to tan.
How often do you come up here and tan? Every day, every other day?
I'd say up here, it's not as common. I do have a tanning spot that I normally use, which I'll show you guys in the set.
Yeah.
But I normally like to come out here at nighttime, enjoy the sunset, read a few pages of a good book. It really doesn't get better than that, to be honest, guys. It's funny, I actually did some outreach right here with that in the background. And I was actually able to land an interview just with that setup right there. Again, another good spot to come at night, just hang up, hang out, kick your feet up, read a good book. You can even wash your hands right there.
And the views are insane.
Yeah, views are absolutely crazy. That's probably one of the best things about Bangkok. Pretty much anywhere in town has a great view as long as you're 20 stories up.
And guys, you probably hear this a lot of the times, like one of the worst things about Bangkok is the pollution. And it's pretty true. You can see the pollution right now. It is pretty foggy, but it's not that bad. Like Ram, have you seen any like massive problems that have affected your life so greatly that Bangkok is the no-go?
I mean, other than the first few days of just adjusting, to be honest, it's pretty manageable. But if you find that the pollution is kind of not your thing, just come out here for a year, run it up, and then just move to Dubai, where the air quality is much cleaner. Alright, we got number 23. Shout out Michael Jordan. They saved the best floor for the best basketball player. No disrespect, LeBron. So you guys can see, I'm pretty sure this kind of speaks for itself. See, Alex made it here before we did. Props to him. You guys can come in here anytime.
Sir? Sir? Who's gonna jump in for the content? Not sold?
Not sold.
I mean, aside from getting wet, what would you say? How often would you say you guys come out here to chill?
This is probably like the place where I spend the most time, to be honest. Maybe just get a quick suntan in over there when the sun's actually out. But if you guys come over here, it's my favorite part of this condo. Jacuzzi that doesn't work there. That's okay, it's Bangkok, you don't really need that. You guys can see, rainfall shower. Your after pool access. Over here, my favorite part of the condo. Steam room. Get in here for like maybe 10 minutes at a time. After I feel like it's too much, rinse off, jump in the pool, it feels insane. Absolutely insane. And then a sauna here, of course, too. Alright guys, next up, we have some co-working spaces here. We got 2 swing sets here to overwatch the BTS in the east side of Bangkok. We're here, 2 more chairs to chill out. Chill out, again, read, do some work on the laptop, do some appointment setting. Check that out, guys. Check it out.
Yeah, it's so insane. Like, people think Bangkok, like my grandparents, they think Bangkok is like some third world country where they're like living with pebbles. They don't have any cars. Everything is ridden on elephants and stuff. Like, they think it's like no technology. But from what I've seen, and from what you maybe have seen as well, like Thailand is so further ahead than even where I'm from, like back in Georgia. Would you say the same?
Honestly, yeah. I mean, I've never lived in a big city like this, so coming out to Bangkok was like a wonderful first experience for that. But honestly, like, it's crazy because on one part of the city you do have the poverty, but next to it, it's like literally you have a city like 100 years ahead in the future. It's actually crazy. But yeah, you guys see right there, that's the BTS. Literally a 2-minute walk. Anytime I want to be anywhere in town, whether that's over to Ryan's place or even down the city to the other side of the Bangkok River, literally take the BTS, pay like $2, and I can be anywhere in town.
How convenient would you say Bangkok is compared to back home in Florida?
Well, of course, in the US, it has its own conveniences. I mean, driving around is super easy and all that stuff. But to be able to not have my own mode of transportation and to be able to literally take the SkyTrain, it's pretty game-changing out here. So, one more thing I do want to mention, guys. If I wanted to stay here for a whole week straight without leaving the condo, I literally could, right? Literally, if I pull out my phone and open up Grab, I could have food on the table downstairs within 20 minutes. It's actually crazy. All right, guys, and over here we have the movie room. Pretty special room. Again, guys, another good spot to come here, get some work done, read a book, overwatch the city, and just take it all in.
How much would you say you would need to even like live out here full time? Like maybe on a monthly basis?
Yeah, it really depends on kind of where you're at. But if you wanted to, you could probably get away for like 1K USD. And yes, guys, I know it's crazy, but this place actually comes with a room as well.
Making all that noise.
Alright guys, as you can see, we might have interrupted his slumber, but that's okay. He'll be okay. But yeah guys, we actually ended up getting an air purifier here. We did notice it kind of got dusty in here. So if you guys do get your own place, I definitely invest in one of these as well. Anyway guys, most important part of any place is the bathroom. I mean, everyone wants to be taken to number 2 in luxury, so we got the toilet there, bidet, shower. That's another thing you guys will notice too if you're moving from the States. Out here in Asia, they love these things. But yeah, I'm sure you can assume what that's for already. But yeah, guys, let's come over here. You guys have my room here. The Master Deluxe Suites. Bed, laptop setup. And again, one of the best things about Bangkok, you're always gonna have a view if you're 20 stories up.
Does the sun rise on this side? Or not more on the left?
It does, I think it does, yeah. Actually, no, I think it sets on that side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I get to see the sunset there, which is pretty cool.
Have you had any experiences with Thai girls yet? Or still haven't popped the cherry?
And haven't popped the cherry yet, guys, but we'll see. Hopefully we'll get there.
Alex, what about you? Any Thai girl experiences yet?
Other than getting slapped on the head with a flogger, if you know, you know. Then no, I have not had any experience with Thai girls.
Who knows,
Very
guys?
soon, guys.
You got the kitchen. This is where all the magic happens. Stovetop, sink. And you guys might be wondering, I mean, where do we put the dishes to dry? Check it out down here, guys. Innovation at its finest. Fridge. And out here we have our own little balcony with a place to do our laundry, which is super convenient as well. You can even come out here, just meditate, sit with your thoughts. Pretty sick.
Yeah, pretty sick, guys. Well, thank you guys for the tour.
Yeah, most
It's been a pleasure.
Thanks for coming over.
Bam. So I mean, guys, you can come out here, live on a budget until you build up to your first $10,000 a month, and then you can live in a nice, luxurious tower. Because like with $2,000, if you're spending it on rent, just imagine what you can get.
Yeah.
Because this is like what, $450?
Yeah.
So imagine paying like 5 times more. Then you're gonna get 5 times the room, 5 times everything, which will be insane. And when you guys came out here, you guys have only been here like a few months, humble beginnings. What's your plans in terms of like your income with remote sales?
Yeah, that's a great question. So when I came out here, I had no money coming in, just savings. So it really put a fire under me to actually land a role and start printing money, which is what I was able to do. Of course, thanks to Mr. Ryan behind the camera, and Alex and I have put our heads down relentlessly just to land that offer.
Yeah. And I have this same like this is like still bigger than my first apartment. Like I came out here, I lived like literally like a few minutes that way. It's the exact same setup, like $200 a month on rent in a shitty room. But I think it's actually good because you get to like put yourself in the trenches.
Yeah.
So that way you can fight your way up and level up over time.
Exactly.
Bam. Yeah. Thank you guys. Boom.
Yes, sir.
Boom. Boom. Wait. Boom.